Hello everybody. Oh, that was too much. This is Jellyfish here, aka Angelica, and this is Serenity. Oh, Serenity! My niece and my little sister Aviana. Hi. We're gonna do a little unboxing for you guys today, and Aviana, you can leave. I got here the MacBook Pro 16-inch 1 terabyte. Yes, the brand new 2019 MacBook Pro. Holy moly, guys. I've never owned a I haven't owned a Apple laptop before. I've owned an iPhone, but not an Apple computer. So let's open her up. I'm so excited. I bought this with my money and my money alone, and I'm very proud to call this mine. I'm planning to get better at YouTube and getting better at editing, and this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted to do to get started. Anyways, and we're gonna go from there. Serenity, you ready? Mm-hmm. Yeah, say I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, let's get started.
Yeah.
Ah.
Funny.
Funny.
That's blue.
Hmm?
That's blue right there.
Blue. Good job, Mama. What color is this?
Red.
Red. Yay. Okay.
That's the red.
Let's open here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go start it.
You want to open it? Okay.
Get out.
Pull this, Serenity.
Okay.
Pull it, Mama.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. Okay. This way it goes.
Uh-huh.
Maybe it's trash.
Okay. Whee.
That's funny.
Okay. Open it.
I got it.
Pull.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Right there.
Huh?
Here.
Okay.
Okay, one.
Okay, 1, 2.
3.
That was anticlimactic. Wow! How cool! I'm gonna put this right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
1,
2. Alrighty. I think I got it from here. Oh wow, guys. I'm so excited. Holy moly. Oh my goodness. See, I know that a lot of people say that it's thicker, it's heavier, it's longer. It's definitely bigger than the laptop I owned. Leave that right there, okay, baby?
Okay.
I owned, if I had it, no. Well, I owned a HP 13-inch, and it was touchscreen as well, so you can fold it back and make it like a tablet. So I had that, so I'm changing to a Apple product. So in here it comes with the charging cord, a manual. Also, I've read online this is a fast charging cable, and this wall plug, holy moly, is huge and heavy compared to others. Oh my gosh, it's really big. Nice. You want to hold it, Serenity? Mm-hmm. Here you go. Whoa. Alright, hen. Okay, let's put it back.
Yeah. 3.
Yep. Okay, I'm also gonna put this
Yeah?
right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I gotta watch this.
Now we're gonna open this?
Yeah,
Okay.
go open. I'm getting it.
Okay, we're gonna, let's see.
Yeah.
We're gonna open it
Yeah.
this way.
Sure. So I'm getting it.
Open it, open it. Whoa. Oh my goodness.
Yay!
Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Holy moly. Okay.
Open it.
Okay, let's let them
Yeah.
see. Okay, I got it, Mama. Holy moly. Holy moly. And it's already turning on.
Okay, good.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh my gosh, how great. Oh, how cool this looks. Oh my goodness. This is great. This is so great. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm going to set
To
it
use
up.
English as the main language, press the return key.
Whoa! It's talking to you, Serenity.
Yeah.
We say hi.
Hi.
Okay, I'm gonna set this up and get back with you guys. Alrighty. See you in a bit. Okay guys, I did it. I went through the setup. Oh my goodness. And here we are. But this right here, this bad boy. Oh. Oh my goodness. Ah! This thing is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I don't think I can pick it up in like really good, really like great quality right here, but this is it. It's not picking up good on camera, but it is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Yes, I will say it's a little splurge. A little. But this is the 2019 MacBook Pro with 1 terabyte at 16 16-inch 2019 MacBook Pro, and it has 1 terabyte of memory, 16 gigs, 1 terabyte, and it is, I got the space gray, and oh, I am so excited. I don't even know where to start with this thing. It is truly truly beautiful. I think the resolution of it is like 3072 by 1920 and like it says here like 226 like pixels. I googled it. You're welcome. Oh my goodness. I am so excited to start editing on this, to just start doing all that I can with this just gorgeous computer. And guys, this has been a great first time unboxing. Success, I will say. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to see more, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. And jellyfish over and out.